Welcome to my premiere. Right now, we are eating a buffet, a seafood buffet here at Liluan, Cebu. Before we start our team building, we drop by at Kitchen Express Liluan for the seafood to try. Sumptuous food. Busog kaming lahat. Masarap ang pagkain namin, guys. And this is Kai Camelotes, my fellow YouTuber. We are on the same team for team building. So right now, you can see our food. Seafood spaghetti. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito, pero parang bihon. Tapos ito yung nilagang baka. May gourmet, mayroong hipon, sushi. Ito yung hipon. Sarap talaga, guys. At saka humba, braised pork, bola-bola, at saka ito chicken poppers, I think. And this is shells, different kinds of shells. Tapos na kami dito. We are on our way to our venue for our team building. Kitchen Express Liluan.